So there, I was at this cafe enjoying my fresh orange juice. The light was perfect, the vibe was great, and I thought, let's take a picture. Then I just came to my studio and I was going through the photos of in my phone, and I thought, how can I convert this single image into a stunning videos? So I did a lot of research, tried so many tools, and finally come up with this stunning videos for you. First, let's check the result. Okay, so do you want to see how did I converted these photos? First, I took these photos, changed the background, enhanced their quality. Then I created couple of videos out of this photo, and then finally combined all the pieces together, and the result is just you saw. So let me explain you each step one by one and show you how you can also convert a single image into stunning videos. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So let's start. To begin, I started with the tool called Krea. That tool converts a simple image into professional looking product photos. First, search for Krea AI on Google. Click on the first link on the right side and you will see sign up box. Click on it and log in it using Google account. Once log in, you will find a generate image box in the center. Click on it. Below you will see a describe a picture box where you can enter your prompt for desired image. On the left side, there is an aspect ratio button where you can select your ratio, and below that you can use the random prompt generator. Next, click on the add image box on the right side to upload your image. You can upload multiple images if required. After that, you can select the style if needed. Finally, click generate, and within seconds your image will be ready. Here is the final result. From the 4 generated images, we will use this one. Okay, so now we got the images. To do the next step, I'll use this AI tool called Hailuo AI that convert these high quality images into stunning visual masterpiece. So let's go through the tool and I'll show you how you can do it. Start with search for Hailuo AI on Google and click on the first link. On the right side, there is a sign up box. Click it and log in using your Google account. With this tool, you get 100 free credits daily upon just login. On the left side, click on the create box and there are two options, image to video and text to video. We'll use the image to video right now. Click on upload image to upload your image. Enter your desired prompt for the video in the box below. Select the model and quantity, noting that one video requires 30 credits. Click create and within minutes your video will be ready. Here is the final result. You can download the video from here. But I wasn't stopping there. Since this was meant to be an ad, I will create couple of more videos and will combine all them to create a stunning videos. So I generated another video using the same process, repeat the same steps, upload the image, enter the prompt, select the model and quantity and click create. In few minutes, the second video will be ready. Here is the final result, which you can download from here. Now I wanted to add something extra, a stock image of oranges to give the extra orangey touch to my videos. So let's see how can we create those kind of stock images using AI. So to create stock footages, we'll use the text to video section. Click on text to video, then enter the prompt in the provided box. Select the model and quantity, then click create, and in few minutes your video will be ready. Here is the final result. Of course, while creating these videos, I can see some watermarks on the video, and we will use the best AI tool, online watermark remover, to remove the watermarks from video. Search for online watermark remover for videos on Google and click on the first link. Click open file to upload your videos. Use the rectangle tool to select the watermark areas. On the left side, click save and then choose the format, quality, compressions and frame rate. Finally, click export. So with all the individual pieces ready, it was time to bring them together to create an cohesive ads. For this, I use CapCut, a versatile video editing tool. I guess most of you are aware about it. So open the CapCut and click import and upload all the videos and logos. Trim the videos as per your requirement, add transitions, arrange everything properly, then add your logo and suitable background songs. For educational purpose, I'm just doing everything quickly and I'll show you the final result. Okay, once everything is done, your final ad video will be ready. And here is the final result. Isn't that awesome? So you can also turn any image into stunning videos for your ads. Thank you for watching the videos. I hope you enjoyed the step-by-step guide how to create a videos from a single image. You can use it for your ads or for any personal projects. The possibilities are endless. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you will get notified for my next video. Stay creative and keep exploring. See you in my next video.